Hello everyone. Now let's talk about the HSM, Hardware Secure Module. So this is the HSM device, Hardware Secure Module, and this particular device play a significant role in protecting your keys. How come? So when you have those keys in place which you use in the encryption, whether it's a public key or a private key, they are stored up into the HSM device. Mostly private keys are used up, but your organization cannot store the public keys as well. So this HSM is the very secure place or the device where those keys are stored. Now, it's only there to store the keys. It cannot be there to store any other data. No media file, no text document, only the keys. Another very unique property of this HSM which makes it so secure is that it uses ML, machine learning and artificial intelligence to find out that someone is trying to hack into it. So when hackers try to hack into an HSM device which contains a lot of keys, this HSM device will detect that with multiple models and multiple different technologies in place. It will detect that and it will wipe out all the keys present inside it. If it finds out that someone is trying to attack into it up in place, right? So it will delete all the keys that are present inside it. That is what we have into the HSM. That this is the reason which make it so secure, and the hacker which try to hack into the HSM would not get anything. Now, then we have another alternative nowadays, which is called cloud HSM. So either you can go to the on-prem or to the vendor and purchase up an HSM device for you, which is going to be very expensive. Then you have to manage it, configure it. It's a very complicated and sophisticated technology. So you need to have a bunch of people which understand it, understand its working and how to mitigate and resolve those kind of issues in place, how to create a backup. So you need to hire up a team as well. That also significantly increases up the cost. So instead of doing that, what you can do is you can rent an HSM device from the vendors. So we have different cloud vendors like AWS, Azure, GCP, Oracle, IBM, a lot of them. And instead of purchasing up an HSM device, which could be in thousands of dollars, you can rent it up and use it up, right? So if you rent it, so the cost is significantly decreased. And then the security of the HSM device, that is the headache of the cloud provider. So the cloud provider takes care of the security, physical security, cyber attack. They have a group of specialized people which look for that. It's not your job. Now you only need to use it up properly, securely. Best practices, you should need to use it up into the context of the cloud HSM, and that's it. So as compared to having an actual HSM device in your organization, in your own physical setup, and managing it, maintaining it, right? It's better to just go and rent it up in place. So this is what we have into the cloud HSM. So guys, this is what we have. Thank you.